Here I have OnePlus A 5010 and let me show you how to reset browser on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it's Google Chrome, so just let me open it. Then tap on three dots icon, it's more icon located in right upper corner, so just tap on it and select history. Now you can either delete some particular pages from your history just by tapping on these cross icons. So as you can see, they are removed. Or you can delete all history data just by tapping on clear browsing data. So just let me tap here. Now you can select if you would like to delete all browsing history, all cookies and site data, and all cached images and files, and then go to advanced. And now you can select also the browsing history, cookies, save passwords. You can also delete them if you want to. Autofill form data, site settings, and licenses. So let me pick all of them. And finally you have to select the period of time from which you would like to delete all this history. So it can be just 1 hour, maybe 1 day, 7 days, the all month, so last 4 weeks, or from the beginning, so all time. Let me delete all history. So let me pick the last option, all time. And now if you select the options that you would like to have, just tap on clear data. And then within just a few seconds, all your history data is deleted. So you can start and set up all your browser from the scratch. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.